time for the bell. How many options will you sell? Fire up your platform, get ready to enter. But first, let's get the mindset centered. Hey, hey, let's go. We're not here to gamble, we're here to trade. We follow the plan, that's how we get paid. Testing, trading, have success. Find what works for you and forget the rest. Stats and probabilities is what we're about. Time to dismiss greed and doubt. Focus on the process, not the money. And the profits will flow like honey. Power Hour Live, let's start the show. Come on, trade hackers, get ready to go. 0-day options, time to make bank. Get locked and loaded, then be ready to plank. Hey!
Hey everyone, welcome to Power Hour Live, Thursday, November 14th. S&P down 20, NASDAQ down 90, Russell down 23, Dow down 110, gold slightly red, silver slightly green, notes and bonds green, 10-year yield down 0.75%, oil up a little over 1/3%, natty gas down 7%, grains all red, euro and the pound a little bit red, Bitcoin down 0.5%. Bitcoin finally coming off of its all-time highs, did not make a new all-time high today after hitting over 94,000 yesterday. VIX is at 13.65, down a little over 2.5%. Lowest VIX we've seen since July. A little bit of a wild ride here. I was doing pretty good on my BIX until my last tranche fired, which I actually did not even mean to have fire. I thought my last one was 12.25. My 12.55 fired. And I thought, well, I'm going to close it early before Powell comes out. And then it got double stopped. So unfortunately down almost 1,200 on my BIX. Only took one price action BIC. I got stopped out on the put side, so if we rally here, I'm going to get stopped on the call side too. But just one tranche all day, just no consolidation really whatsoever. I took my I thought maybe we were finally done here where we got a few VARs in a row, and then all of a sudden, boom, puts got smoked, then big rip back up. Just some pretty gnarly price action here. For delta neutral trading, I did just take an Amazon stop hunt, just a little day trade. We flushed the lows of day and then bounced really quick, pulled back a little bit. So I just got long. It's just now starting to work. I did some day trades this morning on the live stream. So I can show you what I did there. Oh yeah, 2 trades in NVIDIA and 1 in Tesla. NVIDIA got this flush through yesterday's lows with a little bit of a volume pop, got long for a mighty 90. Unfortunately, I closed it early, so I missed a big part of this up move. And then got another volume pop on the way up, so I got short and caught some of this down move. So a couple small winners on that. And then Tesla, oops, TSLA. Tesla was a mighty 90 long as well right here. This little volume spike pushed below yesterday's lows, caught this bounce, scaled out of most of my position, and then when it started to reverse, I just cut it. So 3 winners this morning. I also did a 1 DTE, which I transformed into a, well, I've got the one from yesterday still. That's a upside vertical. It's got to get above 60.15 for that to hit. So most likely will not. And then I did another upside vertical off today's, which needs to get above 60.10 by tomorrow. So if we get back up to all-time highs tomorrow, that one would hit, which was kind of the intention. And that is, took off a 3-4 double calendar for a loss. Took off my 1-2 for small loss, and then took off the 6-7 for ended up hitting 21% on that down move. Got right below the strike, so I took it off about 30 minutes early, but booked a nice profit on that one. Moel, I used to take mine off at 1 DTE, but if you like the most recent trade plan video in the calendar channel, in the calendar trade plan channel, I moved it to 0 DTE. Or yes, take it off on 0 DTE. It doesn't test bad taking it off 1 DTE. I just moved it to 0 DTE because I tweaked the structure a little bit of how I trade it. So it's all in the most recent back test there. Well, don't just change it to 0 DTE. I would get into the back test and understand why. I mean, go through the trade log and all that stuff because I tweaked a couple. I think I tweaked the strike selection a little bit as well. Got Jay Powell taking the mic here in about 3 minutes. See if that does anything. Not sure it'll do much. Let me read again what he's doing here. Due to participate in a panel discussion titled Global Perspectives at the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas. So who knows, could give a little shaky shake in the market, but we'll see. Yeah, my BICs are down, got double stopped, and then my price action BICs, I just did one tranche. No real consolidation to enter. Kind of forced one a little bit. Right here at about 12:30, 12:45. So no Woogas today. And no nothing really with the price action and with Jay Powell coming on. Just not anything to do right now, my friends. I did take 1 day trade this in futures as well. So yeah, right here. It was kind of it was a kind of as similar to what I was just talking about in Amazon, just a little stop hunt. We flushed the lows, bounced really quickly, got in, it caught a little bit of a move up on half, got out of half, and then just got stopped out on the other half, booked 800 on that one. Uh, I don't know, Moel. I don't remember that being a no, well, no, that's 5 points from from where you enter, I believe. Hover over the little question mark. What does it say? Where's by the 5 points? I can't remember now, off the top of my head. You can't do you can't like how if you have it set up in 00 with like 20 points past the strike or whatever, you can't bot that in Trade Steward. Yeah, that's the distance from the underlying value when you enter. Yeah. So that would not work. Well, it looks like J-Pow's pushing the market down. Yeah, but which strike is it going to use? You're using 2 strikes on the calendar. Double calendar. Yeah, I don't think it works that way. NASDAQ breaking below lows of day again, below its expected move area. Same with the S&P. Well, I was so close to hitting my profit target on Amazon for that little flush. Now I'm getting close to having to bail. So we can get a quick bounce here. Other stocks, biggest movers on the red side, SMCI down another 12%. Riot Blockchain down 5, Tesla down 5. Tesla giving back some of that post-election rally. Shopify down 4. Google down 2. Meta down 1. Goldman down 1. Amazon down 1. Nvidia trying to stay green. Wynn Casino up 9%. Disney up 7. I took off my, I posted earlier, I took off my Disney butterfly for a nice profit. GME up 4%. Will come down now. S&P hitting lows of day. NASDAQ went through lows of day. It'd be 4 red days in a row. VIX back above 14. Let's see, we're going to flush and bounce. We're just going to flush. Still moving. Oh, I do still have some puts. They're at 40 cents. I left those on the first down move. I forgot to take them back off. I forgot to take them off after we bounced. Started to bounce, but how low can we go? How low can she go? Get down below last Thursday's lows. Oh, Naughty Dog, did you take a Wooga? Or a Tim Weiss? Yeah. I wasn't sure if we'd see much movement off of it or not, but certainly appears so. It's definitely going to be keeping the old butterflies cheap for a while. Man, those puts went from 40 cents to 20 cents quickly. I have an order at 40 cents. Back to 15 to 20. W. Malik, are you on the live stream? I just saw your post in the big channel. Post in the Zero Live chat if you're on the live stream. Let's see, did we flush the lows to bounce or we got more downside? I'm going to take a short here with in futures with a little pretty tight stop loss. Bounce back up, retested these lows from earlier today. Let's see if we got one more flush. Nice, did a little MES. First profit target, just below lows of day. So it looks at both. And either of the shorts are 5 points. Okay, cool. Did not realize that. Thank you. Appreciate you sharing. I do all my calendars in Tradier anyway, but I was thinking for some reason that you couldn't account for that type of a exit point. And a big drop in gold here when Jay Powell took the stand as well. Big drop in the euro. Big drop in Bitcoin. So I got stopped on my MES trade. I may reverse here. It may have been a stop hunt. That's flashing. Yeah, I don't think so. I mean, these stop hunt flushes like this are pretty high probability. More to come on that. I've been kind of dialing in some criteria on these. I think I think you guys are gonna like. The first trade I took was risky going short. That's why I used MES. I like this long and that's why I switched over to ES a lot better. Oh, why this entry line is flashing though? That's kind of annoying. Criteria for this kind of a stop hunt trade where price flushes some recent lows and then bounces. I've been trading it a lot. I like it. I like it best on the indices, like on the S&P or NASDAQ. I don't like it as well on the individual stocks, but it still works quite a bit. I should probably get at them. I need a bounce here. Oh, there we go. Stop that flashing line. See if we can get a little follow through to the upside. With the low premiums, I've been kind of doing a little bit more day trading here throughout the day. Just been pretty good. Keeps me from entering delta neutral trades that I shouldn't be entering. Anybody else still holding their Disney butterfly? Dark Avenger, you still holding yours? Where is my follow through? Yeah, Cody, I kind of help use that as part of my criteria after it flushes some recent lows to kind of help give me an idea of entry and stop loss. Definitely not getting the quick follow through I'd hoped. lot of times these stop hunt flushes like this will just act like a springboard, like the one earlier. When it flushed the lows here, got long and just pretty quick move up. Dark Avenger, you're questioning me for closing mine, but you close yours too. There we go. Push it. Push it up. Push it up, J Pal. Oh, great. Chris just predicted what I wanted. I'm in trouble. Ticked one of my orders. Didn't push through though. One more little tick up. It's not what I want to see. I need to push through. Let's go. Give it another try. Give it another oomph. I don't like this price action. May just have to cut. See if we get a bounce here. No, I don't think we're going to. All right, I'm out. Still may bounce. I may re-enter. Just didn't get that quick follow through. Oh man, those puts are down to zero. And that little bounce. Just trying to get out at 40 cents. Well, moving lower. NASDAQ down to lows of day, S&P approaching. Chris, you lied to me. $50 butterfly currently trading for under $1, or maybe right at $1 with 25 minutes to go. But you said it was such conviction. Looks like Jay Powell got his bearish swagger back. Trying to bounce off the lows. VIX hanging around 14. Twenty minutes till the bell. You fly trading for about $1.10, $1.15. Let's go, S&P. Let's get down and dirty. Down and dirty. NASDAQ ticking lows today. S&P almost. Better get my financial juice ready. We got the MOC in 7 minutes. I don't know if we're going to get filled on Mahomes today. It's kind of hovering near lows of day. And VIX is not at highs of day. Not too far away. Elliot, much bicking for you today? Yeah, man, these low premiums, it just does not take much of a whipsaw to double stop. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to lose. I'll be down $75 on my one price action tranche. And it looks like I'll be down about 680 on my regular BIX. It's not terrible, but just can't get any traction recently here. All right, a little bounce off the lows. At the 45 butterfly. It's only trading for $1.20. It's going to be a late entry on Mahomes, if at all. Check the BIC channel. I just pinned it. There's a course in WAP now. Feels like it just wants to flush one more time, doesn't it? Here we go. 1 minute till MOC. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to put in my flies. It's not even close. $183 million buy side. Tiny. Nothing. Butterflies getting up to around $1.50 maybe. Maybe not that high. $45 fly trading for about $1.50, $1.60. All right, I guess I'll enter them. All right, working the 45 and 50. Bouncing up to 50. 5 minutes to go, sitting at 49. Looks like the 45s are close. Build on the 45s. All right, let's move. Move it, move it. Bots. Bot also filled in the 45s. 4 minutes to go. Let's crack lows a day. Or bounce. I don't really care. Just get away from 45. Above 48 or below 42 would win. Up to 48. Two minutes to go. S&P down 40 handles today. Russell's down almost 1.5%. Back down to 46. Back down to 45. Got 1 minute. Do not want another ugly close. We had yesterday was an ugly close. All right, back above 48. Push it. Push it up. $49. $50. Locked. Locked and loaded with 10 seconds to go. And there's the bell 49.15, little markdown on the close. So my bot will be a nice winner, and then my 20 lot will be a 2,000 winner. All right, good way to end the day. Pretty light day of trading. All right, so I'm not sure if Chad will be streaming. No, I'm streaming in the morning. So if you're into day trading, tune in at the market open tomorrow morning. I will be streaming live, and then we'll be back for Power Hour. Have a good night, everyone. Talk to you soon.